So now let's see how you can accept video calls and then join video calls via link when someone else wants to do a video call with you. So in order to do that, I'm going to call this account by using my other account. So I'm just going to hit the video call button and then call the other person out. So what happens is that here you can see that there's a notification and a sound to notify you that someone is calling. So you have an option to decline the call or answer the call. So in my case, I'm just going to answer the call and let's see what happens. The call is accepted and you're in conversation with the other person, just like that. So that is a straightforward way right here when someone else actually calls you and then you join by video call. But if when someone else shares a link, then let's see how you can actually join the video call in that case. So I'll be generating a link from my other account right here. So you will be getting a link such as this right here. As you can see from the other account, all you need to do is press enter and then it'll open up the Hangout call link. And here you can see that there's someone else in the call, so you can just join. You can also just disable your camera if you don't want to join in with camera, and then just join Hangouts and then the call will be started out just like this. So this is especially useful when someone else does not have you in their contacts. And that is how you can join calls by using Hangouts, by using the accept feature if someone else is calling you, or by joining in the URL if someone else shares the URL with you. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.